ये है लास वेगास डाउनटाउन और हर तरफ देखिए एक खूबसूरत बिल्डिंग, होटल, बहुत ही बड़ी सफर। We have to try my luck. Let's see what happens. Now this time, and remember, I'm not going to tell anybody whether I win or lose, because what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. We have just landed into Los Angelos International Airport, and two of our friends have been stopped by the custom and immigration, and I think they will be searched thoroughly, like they have searched ex-Prime Minister So I think we have a long wait here. We were thinking that we'll take the car from the rentals and go straight to Las Vegas, and we reach Las Vegas within 3 hours, but I think we're here for a long wait. So good luck Hasif, good luck Nasser, and hope, as we planned, we four of us have a trip together, not just me and...
Well, in other words, it's looking at the moment a reach too far.
Let's hope for the best. We're in Vegas, it's early, it's breakfast time, and still it's getting busier. So later on until midnight, it's going to get a bit busier. And you can see it's huge. This is one of the casinos we are having. Let me show you around. There's a roulette table, there's the... I don't even know the names. They're going to start with later. Now you can see it's big casinos here. It's early morning, not early morning, it's 12 o'clock. It's going to get busier and busier. As far as you can see, you see the machine, the slots. ये है लास वेगास डाउनटाउन और हर तरफ देखिए एक खूबसूरत बिल्डिंग, एक होटल, बहुत ही बड़ी सफर, बड़े होटल। Caesar Palace, Cosmopolitan, and that's the main boulevard. every hotel is a big hotel. There's no small structure. That's the Caesar Palace, and after that is the Mirage, Venetian, Treasure Island, Trump Tower. Everything is there. The weather is nice, and so is the place. Everything, as I said, is on the grand scale. Imagine. दोस्तों ये हम लॉस वेगस में ग्रेट वेनिशियन होटल में हैं। ये होटल वेनिस की तर्ज पे बना है और बहुत ज़बरदस्त आला क्वालिटी का ये 5 स्टार होटल है। यहाँ पे आए हैं, यहाँ हमारा स्टे है। और ये जो वेनिस का मशहूर सेंट मार्क स्क्वायर है उसकी तर्ज पे उसको फॉलो करते हुए इन्होंने बताए हैं। और अब हम आपको दिखाएंगे जब हम लेफ़्ट साइड पे जाएंगे तो आइए मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। ये वेनिस की जो कैनाल्स हैं उसको रेप्लिकेट करते हुए ये 5th फ्लोर पे ये कैनाल्स बनाई गई हैं। और इस तरह वेनिस में जिस तरह वो छोटी छोटी किश्तियाँ रहती गंडोलाज, वो तो थोड़ी बड़ी है लेकिन छोटी की ये गंडोलाज इन्होंने बनाई हुई हैं। अभी हम आपको दिखाएंगे। इसमें लोग आते हैं, यहाँ सैर करते हैं। और इस तरह का होटल आपको बहुत कम सीसी में मिलेगा। देखिए इसकी छत जो है वो नीले आसमान की तरह इन्होंने पेंट की हुई है। बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त शाहकार, ये वन ऑफ द मेगा स्ट्रक्चर है। बहुत ही बड़े स्केल पे बनाया गया है ये होटल। और लास वेगस में हर चीज़ बड़े स्केल पे बनाई गई है, लेकिन ये बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त, बहुत ही खूबसूरत। अभी हम आपको वो दिखाएंगे। जिस तरह ये गंडोलास हैं, इसमें सयाहों की और जहाँ के विज़िटर हैं, गेस्ट हैं, उनको एंटरटेन करने के लिए, उनको तफरीह फराहम करने के लिए ये गंडोला चल रही हैं। इसमें इन लोगों ने ये सिक्के भी फेंके हुए हैं, वो जो इटली के फाउंटेन में गुड लक के लिए ये करते हैं। Cash He's trying to get the cash from the cash machine, and then we'll try with that cash, right? We'll see. Only 2 of us. Not everybody is doing this thing. So there's so many games to play. You don't know which one to play, which one is the right game. We'll show you around. Look at these security cameras. 1, 2, 3, and everywhere the security camera. Every camera is covered by 2 tables. Every table is covered by 2 cameras. The security is very tight. Shh. Cash you have to try my luck. Let's see what happens. Now this time, and remember, I'm not going to tell anybody whether I win or lose, because what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Right?
See if we if we earn $200,000, yeah, I mean bucks, yeah, we're gonna hire a helicopter, you know, towards the Death Valley.
I'm gonna go and change it to tokens, yeah. So let's see. I don't know many games, but Russian roulette or whatever.
Yeah, but if we lose, then obviously we're gonna eat, you know, the expired chamois and cutlass, you know what I mean?
Then don't force me to buy you anything if you lose, yeah?
Yeah.
So remember, let's go.
All the best. Good luck.
Of course, you want to see our driver, as usual, Mr. Ayaz. Ozo. ¿Te quedas por grado? No, This is nighttime Vegas, and you can see it's just lighting up. Right there. Casino Royale.
Guys, wanna go to strip club? Yes, yes, I roll like that.
I know it's not.
This is the one famous Mirage. Vegas is 1 a.m. 1 hour past midnight, and still it's buzzing with people. This is nightlife. Treasure Island.